The CEO murder suspect Luigi Mangione faced a judge today where he pleaded not guilty to the state charges against him, including murder with an element of terrorism. Lisa Rozner has more on the new developments.
26-year-old murder suspect Luigi Mangione appeared to smirk as law enforcement escorted him down a long hallway at Manhattan Criminal Court Monday morning. Inside court, he entered a plea for 11 state charges, including first-degree murder, killing as an act of terrorism, and multiple counts for criminal possession of a weapon.
Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
He was wearing an outfit almost identical to his defense attorney, Karen Friedman Agnifilo, who asked for immediate expedited discovery. She added she's concerned about her client's right to a fair trial.
He's a young man, and he is being treated like a human ping pong ball between two warring jurisdictions here.
This past Thursday, Mangione was extradited from Pennsylvania and appeared before a federal judge on charges of murder and stalking. If convicted, he could face the death penalty. Agnifilo said the heavily armed police escorting him from the New York City helipad was absolutely unnecessary because he's been cooperative. She called it and comments made by Mayor Adams unconstitutional.
Statements that the mayor made publicly about my client, nothing saying alleged, for example, and he wanted to show symbolism. Your Honor, he's not a symbol. He's somebody who is afforded the right to a fair trial.
Adams spokesperson said in part the murder has been sickeningly glorified, and critics can say all they want, but showing up to support our law enforcement and sending a message to New Yorkers that violence and vitriol have no place in our city is who Mayor Eric Adams is to his core. Outside, among around 24 supporters, we spoke with a woman from Staten Island and a man from Queens who say they don't support murder, but they want to bring attention to healthcare reform.
I wanted to show solidarity with all the families that have lost loved ones across the country because of denied claims.
We're here in support of the idea that the for-profit healthcare system is corrupt.
And Lisa joins me now. Bail was set at $1. What did Mangione's attorneys have to say about that?
Well, they said it's really a symbolic gesture because he's already being held without bail in federal prison. And also, we learned today that the state case will proceed before the trial for the federal case.
And now we saw in your piece there the people outside demonstrating, whatever you'd like to call it, supporting. We heard, and during our breaking news cut-in, you were out there reporting, and we could hear the chants. You know, what was it like outside while all of this was going on?
Yeah, I mean, they clearly wanted to get attention and got louder when they saw media reporting. But when I spoke with them one-on-one, a lot of them are there because they've had their own personal health struggles, and they want to use this as a way to, as a platform, essentially, to talk about that. But I should mention there were also about 4 rows of women inside the courtroom, one of them giving Mangione a thumbs up on his way out. So they definitely came out in full force today.
Okay, Lisa, thank you for your reporting. Appreciate it. And Mangione's next court date here is February 21st. He's due back in federal court January 18th. We'll continue to follow any new developments on air and online at cbsnewyork.com.